In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend image duration in CapCut Desktop. If you're working on a video project and your image disappears too quickly on screen, don't worry. CapCut Desktop makes it very easy to lengthen the amount of time an image stays visible in your timeline. This is especially useful for slideshows, tutorials, presentations, or any edit where viewers need a little more time to look at a photo, graphic, or screenshot. To get started, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the program is open, create a new project if you're starting from scratch, or open an existing project if you already have one in progress. Either option works, as long as you can access the editing timeline. Next, import the image you want to use. After the image appears in your media library, drag it down onto the timeline. This places the image into your project so you can edit how long it stays on screen. Now click the image clip on the timeline to select it. This is important because you want to make sure you're adjusting the correct item, especially if your project has multiple clips or layers. Once the image is selected, move your cursor to the very end of the image clip in the timeline. Pause there for a moment and wait for the resize handle to appear. This handle lets you change the length of the clip. When you see it, click and drag the end of the image clip to the right. As you drag, you'll notice the clip becomes longer, which means the image will remain on screen for more time during playback. Keep dragging until you reach the duration you want. A helpful tip here is to think about how long a viewer needs to comfortably absorb the image. If it contains text or important visual details, giving it a few extra seconds can make a big difference. Once you're happy with the length, release your mouse. The new duration is now applied. To check your result, click the play button and preview the section of your project. Watch the image on screen and make sure it stays visible for the amount of time you intended. If it looks right, then you've successfully extended the image duration in CapCut Desktop. And that's all there is to it. It's a simple adjustment, but it can really improve the pacing and clarity of your video.